Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That's my website where you can go to find out more information about Forex trading. And here we are for another week, the last 2 days of January, first 3 days of February 2023. Lots of high impact news coming out this week, and I've got my trade setups that I'm looking to be taking during this week. So let's jump into it and get started. Looking at forexfactory.com, there is so much news coming out this upcoming week. I can't even get it all on one page. So a lot of things that we do need to be aware of, and these are Asian times that you're looking at. So be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local times. The main things that we need to watch for will be, of course, the federal U.S. government will be raising, or at least is projected to be raising, the interest rate by 50 basis points from 4.5 to 4.75, 25 basis points that is. And that will be on 2 a.m. Asian time, Thursday morning, or late Wednesday night. And then the same day, Thursday during the day, the London market is expected to raise the interest rate by 50 basis points from 3.5 to 4. And then on Friday, of course, being the first Friday of February, we have the non-farm employment change. So lots of high impact news is coming up this week in the last 2 days of January and the first 3 days of February. Be sure and be aware of all of these items because they will definitely have a high impact and cause a lot of volatility, a lot of movement with the currencies and commodities. These are the trade setups that I have scheduled this week. And remember, this is my perspective on what I see happening in the markets. This is not financial advice. And I am not suggesting or recommending that you take these same trades. It's up to you to manage your own account and to use good risk management. And first we start off looking at the DXY, which is the US dollar compared with 6 other major currencies. And we have seen a continuing weakness of the US dollar over the last few months. Some strange things happened the last Thursday and Friday though. During the Asian and London market, the US dollar gained strength, and then in the closing of the US session, it came back down. Same thing happened on Friday. Asian and Pacific market and London market, the US dollar moved up, but then in the close of the US session, it moved down. So which way will the US dollar go this upcoming week? Well, we have so much high impact news that a lot of that will depend on the various data that comes out. So we'll just have to wait and see what the market sentiment is going to be. So let's have a look at our major pairs. First of all, the Euro US, and I will just share with you quickly what my trade setups are from my analysis. I see the Euro US as bullish, so I'm continuing to look for a buy trade as it bounces off support, as it has done several times over the last 10 days or so. I'm looking to buy the Euro US, and the entry price is 1.0845, which is where this support line is here. The odd US, I'm also seeing that as bullish and expecting to buy with an entry price at 0.7025. Again, waiting for it to come down and give me a better price here at this support line, 0.7025. The New Zealand US, I also have a buy limit with the entry price at this support line here, 0.6450. The pound US, I also have a buy limit at this support line here of 1.2335. The entry price 1.2335, a buy limit on the pound US. And the USD CAD, seeing that as continuing to be bearish, it's broken well below our support line that we had, so now this support is resistance. So looking for it to come back up to resistance before it continues its move down. My entry price for that pending order sell limit on the USD CAD is 1.3387. And then lastly, of course, the one everybody wants to look at, the one everyone likes to trade, and that's gold. Okay, we have resistance at 1943, 1951, 1962. Support at 1920, down here at this first blue line right here, and 1913, the next blue line, and then 1900, that very strong psychological support line, which we've not even got close to for the last 7 or 8 days. But we do have a very good support line here at 1920. You see it's bounced off of this almost every day. All right. So just waiting for it to come down, give me a good price there at 1920. So that is my buy limit on the US XAU USD gold buy limit at 1920. So those are my trade setups for this upcoming week, the last 2 days of January and the first 3 days of February 2023. And as I close out, the same as I shared last week, information about robot trading or automated trading. I had a lot of inquiries, so I'll share that information with you again so that you'll know where to find information about how to get started with robot trading if you're interested in that. Thanks again for being here. I appreciate it. Because I had so many inquiries last week when I shared this little bit of information with you on my weekly analysis video, I'm sharing it again, and just to let people know where you can find more information about automated trading, robot trading. It's not the Holy Grail, but it does provide a great opportunity to give you more freedom from looking at the charts and to do trading without emotions. A robot trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week without emotions, just taking the trades according to the parameters that we give it. So what great way to trading. Everybody's talking about AI and robots, and this is really something that can help you generate income from your Forex trading. So for more information about that, just check out my website, prosperityrisingea.com. Leave an inquiry, send me an email, contact me online, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere, and I'll give you more information about semi-automated trading with robots in the Forex market. Other than that, it's been great being here this week. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.